Hey friends, if Wi-Fi disconnects frequently in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. First of all, you will have to update the drivers. So, search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager. Expand the list for network adapter drivers, right click on it and select Update Drivers and Update Windows as well. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and reinstall all the updates. Make sure that each and every update is installed. Then restart your computer, right click on the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart. So once this is sorted, you will be very sure that the issue is not with the drivers at your end. So the issue can only be with the adapter, and this in this case, I would suggest buying a new adapter. So go to Amazon.com or any website for that matter, Best Buy or anything that you use, and search for a Wi-Fi adapter here. Okay, and then you can buy any of these Wi-Fi adapters, the smaller ones. Don't go for the bigger ones; they are not required. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.